non-uniform. Limiting damages. Causation. Gallo v. Bright Graham Murray. There must be a causal link between the breach and the loss and must be an effective and dominant cause. Row 2. Limiting damages. Causation. Lambert v. Lewis. Novus actus interveniens. If a knowingly defective product was used, then the causal. Row 3. Linkage of defective product is not present. Row 4. Limiting damages. Causation. Monarch steamship VA/B Carlshams. If the novus actus interveniens is foreseen or is deemed likely to happen, then there is causation. Row 5. Limiting damages. Remoteness and contract. Hadley v. Baxendale. Damages can be claimed only from matters or breaches, arising naturally in the usual course of things. Row 6. Left parent imputed knowledge, right parent or reasonably in the contemplation of the parties. Row 7. Left parent i.e. special circumstances that had been discussed. Left bracket actual knowledge, right bracket right parent. Row 8. Limiting damages. Remoteness and contract. Jackson v. Royal Bank. The actual knowledge must exist at the time of contracting. Row 9. Limiting damages. Application of Hadley test. Victoria Laundry v. Newman Industries. Parties must tell each other of any potential losses that may be special to them if a breach occurs to be. Row 10. Able to claim for a loss that wouldn't arising naturally in the normal course of things. Row 11. Limiting damages. Application of Hadley test. The Heron 2. Was the loss in real danger of occurring from the breach? Is the loss not unlikely to occur? Row 12. Limiting damages. Application of Hadley test. Balfour Beatty v. Scottish Power. Was this kind of loss likely to occur from the breach? Row 13. Limiting damages. Application of Hadley test. The Achilles market practice is taken into consideration when establishing what is foreseeable. Row 14. Limiting damages. Mitigation. British Westinghouse v. Underground Electric. Losses resulting from failure to mitigate are not recoverable. Reasonable steps must be taken to. Row 15. Mitigate. Commercial situation is taken to account and court doesn't expect innocent party to. Row 16. Go beyond what is reasonable commercially. Row 17. Limiting damages. Mitigation. Pilkington v. Wood. The mitigating party is not expected to embark on litigation. Row 18. Limiting damages. Mitigation. Pezu v. Saunders. The party may have to accept breach if it is cost effective. Row 19. Limiting damages. Mitigation. Banco de Portugal v. Waterloo Sons. The mitigating party's conduct is not weighted in nice scales. The action the party, Row 20, had to take in order to remedy the situation. Row 21. Limiting damages. Contributory negligence. Vesta v. Butcher. Contributory negligence may be an available defense if there is a breach of contractual duty to take care and. Row 22. The breach is also a tort. Row 23. Limiting damages. Contributory negligence. Barclays Bank v. Fairclough. The very imposition of a strict liability on the defendants is to my mind inconsistent with an. Row 24. Apportionment of the losses per Simon Brown L.J. Row 25. Limiting damages. Equitable remedies. Co-op Insurance v. Argyle. The courts are very reluctant to award specific performance and believe that in most cases damages will suffice.